Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have an incredibly important topic to discuss that affects countless individuals and industries worldwide. Grab a seat and get ready eye for an eye-opening exploration into the world of Houston maritime attorneys. You won't want to miss a single second of this highly anticipated video. So, first of all, introduction to the offshore accidents. Offshore accidents can be devastating consequences causing severe injuries, financial hardships, and emotional distress for those involved. Whether it occurs on an oil rig, a maritime vessel, or during offshore construction, these accidents require specialized legal expertise to navigate the complexities of maritime law and seek rightful compensation. In this article, we will explore the crucial role of an accident lawyer in assisting victims of such incidents. We will dive into key factors to consider in offshore accident claims, the legal process involved, the types of compensation available, and the challenges one may encounter. Additionally, we will provide insights on selecting the right offshore accident lawyer and highlight relevant resources for victims and legal professionals. So, what are offshore accidents? Offshore accidents are those unfortunate incidents that occur in maritime or marine environments, such as oil rigs, ships, and the other offshore structures. Whether it's a ship and fall, equipment malfunctioning, or even those a major disaster, these accidents can cause serious injuries or even fatalities. Working in these offshore environments comes with its own set of risks, and it's very important to understand your rights in such situations. The importance of seeking legal assistance. When faced with an offshore accident, seeking legal assistance becomes crucial. Dealing with the aftermath of an accident can be overwhelming, and you don't want to navigate the complex legal process alone. An experienced offshore accident lawyer can give you guidance, support, and fight for your rights. They have the knowledge and expertise to handle the intricacies of maritime law and ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. So, understanding the role of an offshore accident lawyer. The expertise of accident lawyers. Offshore accident lawyers specialize in maritime law and understand the unique challenges and regulations that come with offshore accidents. They are well versed in the Jones Act, Longshore and Harbor Workers Compensation Act, and the other relevant laws that protect offshore workers. With their expertise, they can navigate through legal complexities and build a strong case on your behalf. So let's talk about the responsibilities of an offshore accident lawyer. So, an offshore lawyer accident is not only acts as your legal representative but also provides guidance and support throughout your case. They will investigate the accident, gather evidence, and interview the witness and establish liability. They will negotiate with the insurance companies on your behalf and fight for fair compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, pains and suffering, and other damages. This goal is to ensure you receive the best possible outcome in your case. So, what are the key factors to consider an offshore accident claim? So it's important to be aware of the statute of limitations, which is time frame within which you can file a claim. In offshore accident cases, the statute of limitations can vary depending on specific circumstances and applicable law. Consulting with an offshore accident lawyer as soon as possible will help you understand and adhere to these restrictions. So, proving a liability in offshore accident cases can be challenging. It involves determining negligence or fault of the part of the employer, equipment manufacturer, and other parties involved. An offshore accident lawyer will thoroughly investigate the accident, collect evidence, and build a strong case that to establish liability and hold the responsible parties accountable for their actions. So, first of all, how can you file a complaint and initiate legal proceedings once you decide to pursue a legal claim? Your offshore accident lawyer will assist you in filing a complaint. It initiates legal proceedings and the responsible parties will be notified. Your lawyer will handle all necessary paperwork, ensuring that all your rights are protected and no important deadlines are missed. So, when you're looking for an accident lawyer, when you want to come who knows their boat from their state boat, experience and expertise in offshore accident cases are essential. A knowledgeable lawyer will understand the intricacies of maritime admiralty law, making them well equipped to handle your case. Don't be afraid to ask about their track record and success in similar cases. So, the common challenges and complexities of accident litigation, navigating the legal waters surrounding the offshore accidents can be treacherous. Maritime and admiralty law is specialized field that requires expertise and experience from judicial issues to unique statutes. These complexities can be challenging to navigate without a knowledgeable lawyer by your side. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.